Hey everybody, welcome back to Daddy Dutch Barbecue and Cooking. Today what we're doing is my basic barbecue rub mix. In the opening shot, you saw I had black pepper, paprika, sea salt, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and ground mustard. The other two ingredients you can add if you want. They're totally optional. You make it your way. It's either Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, or both. If you like it a little sweeter, there is one thing you can add to this, and that is dried peach jello. It's really good on pork, I will tell you that. So what we have here is we have 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, 1.5 of garlic powder, 1 of ground mustard, and 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder. So we are going to get this mixed up, and the way I like to store it, if I'm not going to use it right away, I'll just put it in an old mason jar with a lid, put it in the fridge. If I plan on using it right away, I got a bunch of these old Parmesan cheese shakers that I ordered online. And with the top, it works perfect for helping you spread your rub right away. So we'll get this mixed up, show you what it looks like, and we'll bring it back. All right, everybody, and here is our rub all mixed up. Now, if you have any of your powders or anything that get a little clumpy or whatever, you can use a whisk in a bowl, or if you have a small food processor, that'll work also. Like I said, I'll leave it in an old mason jar, put it in the fridge. Some people ask, why didn't I add sugar? I don't always like to add sugar because if you barbecue at a higher temp, your sugar can burn. So this is what we have. Like I said, you can add or eliminate whatever you want, but this is my basic rub. Hope you enjoy this short little clip, and if you guys have any questions, hit me up on email. It's in my about page, or if you got my number, give me a call or message me on Facebook, whatever. I will be more than happy to help. So hope everybody has a great week, and we'll see y'all next time. Take care, gang.